Welcome to CDA's website hosting service and our website development tool known as the Qblog. Our goal is to provide you with a simple, easy to use, and cost-effective solution to your need for a practice website. Using this tool along with its text and video help features, you should have your website online in approximately 1 to 2 hours, while saving thousands of dollars when compared to outsourced web development. Well, since you're watching this video, we can assume that you've found how to log into your new website. You're now looking at the Getting Started page. Below the video screen on this page, you'll see a variety of fields that will be helpful in setting up your initial website. Here you'll be asked for your website name, a slogan to appear on your web pages, the name of your practice, name of dentist in your practice, an email address. It's important to realize this email address will not be visible to the visitors to your site, but will be used to allow people to send messages to you from your website. In addition, we'll ask for your address, phone and fax numbers, and office hours, all which will appear on multiple pages of your website, saving you lots of time. Once you've entered this information and are prepared to save it, click the Save Settings button at the bottom of the page. Now that you've saved your Getting Started information, you should be looking at the home page in Qblog, our editing tool. Let's take a quick look at how developed your site already is at this point. By clicking on the Visit Site link at the top left-hand of the page, you'll go to your site as it is already established. Your site comes with several things already developed. It has 5 pages, the ones that we have found to be most common amongst dental websites. These contain different information about the dentist in your practice, your services that you offer, some powerful patient information tools that come with your website, and a Contact Us page that uses the information you provided earlier to connect your patients to you. It also comes with a Get Directions function using Google Maps that will allow your patients to get directions to your office based on the address that you gave during the Getting Started section. As you work on your website, you can always use that Visit Site function to get to a true look of your website. And to get back to the editor, use Return to Qblog. So let's look at that again quickly. As you're using the Qblog tool and you want to see how your website would look based on things that you've done, click Visit Site. That will show you your site. You can go through the pages of your site to see how it looks based on the changes you've made, and then return to the editor by clicking Return to Qblog. Now let's take a quick tour around the Qblog tool. In addition to the home page, you have a Create page, which allows you to create new pages or new sidebars. Remember when we took a quick look at your page, it comes with the 5 most commonly used pages on dental websites. The Create New Page function allows you to add additional pages so you can customize the website with specific content for your practice. The Create Sidebar allows you to create additional sidebars which appear on all pages on your website. The Edit function allows you to choose pages or sidebars and edit their content by clicking on the Edit Content and then choosing the page which you wish to edit. The Organize function allows you to change the order in which things appear on your website. So for example, I can organize my website. At this point, Contact Us is near the end of my links, but I will move it up and save this new configuration. Now when I visit my website, instead of Contact Us being the last tab as it was earlier, it's now the second tab. So you can place these tabs in any order that you like, changing them at any time that you like. In addition, you have a Reports tab, which provides you with a powerful Google Analytics tool so that as your website is developed and published, you'll be able to monitor its usage, what people are finding helpful, where people are coming from to visit your site, which links they're using most, and other things to help you improve your website. The last tab is the Settings tab. This gives you the opportunity to return to the Getting Started information that you entered earlier and to change the theme of your site at any time. One very powerful function of the Qblog is the ability to manage your site through themes. Themes give your site an overall look, coloration, and feel. Your initial site is built in the Papaya 6 theme. However, there are others available for you to look at. You can preview these by simply choosing the theme that you like the looks of and clicking the preview button. The site will warn you that you're only looking at this in preview and tell you that you use the return to QBlog function to go back to QBlog. Now you see all the information in our site is still the same, but the look and feel has changed dramatically. In the preview, you can look through the various pages in this new theme. By returning to QBlog, we'll go back to our editing tool and our theme will remain unchanged. This time we'll go to Settings and to Themes. We'll see our site is still in Papaya, but we'll enable a new theme, and this will permanently change our site until we come back here and change it again into the new look and feel. Now we need to visit our site, and we'll see that it's changed to the Global Health theme, change in color. The content of our site again remains the same. In the initial setup of your site, we've entered some basic information in here just to give you an idea of what you might put in this box or content section of your page in your initial development. You do need to edit all of this content and choose a theme which works best for you. Feel free to come back and check the QBlog frequently, as we'll be adding themes as we add more and more sites. You can change your site regularly from one theme to another, but it's best to continue with a theme once you find one that you like. In addition to the tabs on the QBlog tool, there are also certain functionalities that you reach through links at the top of the page. The My Account link takes you to account information, as well as the opportunity to edit your information like your email address, change your passwords, and even the time zone in which your website functions. You can also log out of QBlog from here, which will take you to the view of your website that the public sees in your browser. When you're on a site that provides functionality, or a tab that provides functionality, you'll have three options in the top right hand corner. The feedback function will allow you to send a message to CDA about how your website is working, ideas for improvements, other things that we can do to make the QBlog tool better for you. Simply type in the message and click send. To collapse these boxes at the top, simply click on the link again and the box will go away. In addition to the feedback function, there's a help function here. In here, you'll find varieties of videos just like the one you're watching now to help you learn how to use certain functionality on your site. And lastly is a tips function. In here, you'll find tips on best practices, ways to make your website better, and ideas that we've gotten through the feedback function from other users. Now, as we finish up our tour of the QBlog, let's take one last quick look at a quick editor tool that's built into the QBlog. Anytime you visit your site, simply by putting your cursor over any of the content sections, you'll have the ability to edit them. So for example, by choosing Edit on this box, I'll be taken to the Edit function. And here we can change the name. So we'll use that. We can go to the bottom and add content. By clicking the Images link, we can upload an image. Using the Browse function, it'll take us to any picture on our computer can be uploaded. Use the Upload function and we'll see the picture. After we've made our changes, we click Save and we'll return to the Edit view. You'll notice that the picture is there, the name is changed from Home to Change the Name, and our little comment about Add Content is now visible in the text. So this is a quick and easy way to change content on your website, especially things that may change frequently like office hours, phone numbers, or contact information. So there you have it, your quick tour of the QBlog tool that will enable you to build your new CDA hosted website. Don't forget, on the QBlog, from the home page, you can always view this video to give you this quick overview of your new tool again, and you can find specific help in the Need Help section on the various tabs of the site. Best wishes on developing your new CDA hosted website, and we look forward to seeing your feedback through the Q blog.